Welcome to the Empowering Tomorrow's Automotive Software Podcast, brought to you by ETAS, a single source of cutting-edge software and hardware solutions that make automotive embedded systems safe, smart, secure, and sustainable. Each episode, we'll be joined by ETAS and industry experts to discuss how electrification, automation, and connectivity are impacting the automotive industry. Now, sit back and enjoy the discussion.
Hi, I'm Eric Cesa, Vice President and General Manager of ETAS, Inc. I'm excited to launch and be a part of this podcast. It's a great way for our experienced team and those that we know in the industry to really bring them together and share the knowledge and thoughts in this rapidly changing world we find ourselves in around automotive software and the software-defined vehicle. A little quick background on me. I've been in the industry for 30 plus years, supporting the development of controls and software across the transportation space. Cars and technology and the things that really make cars work has always been something that's been a great interest to me. For those of you who might not be familiar with ETAS, we are a wholly owned subsidiary of Bosch. We've been supporting the development of embedded systems with our tools and software for the past 25 years. And just to add to our capabilities, in the end of last year, we made some pretty big announcements with our parent company that Bosch was consolidating all of its universal software components within ETAS. So this consolidation will position us as one of the leading providers of application independent software for vehicles and the cloud in the industry. Obviously, we're super excited about this, and I think we're bringing together a really powerful team to support the industry with vehicle software, middleware, cloud solutions, and services, as well as the tools that really drive or will be required to achieve the software-defined vehicle. And when you add in the experiences of the industry and our colleagues, we've got a recipe for some really interesting and valuable discussions, I think. As the user experience demands drive the industry ever closer to the mobile phone on wheels, the software-defined vehicle will be the enabler for this. In the first season, we're jumping right in. We've got some really good, interesting conversations on the list. Certainly, we're going to start off with what is the software-defined vehicle. I think you see it a lot in the news today, but what does that really mean? What does it mean for our industry as a whole? What does it mean from the OE perspective? But the topics that we want to cover moving forward, maybe after these, is not necessarily just our topics. So we want to hear from you guys, our listeners, what you want to hear. So please share your thoughts, maybe comments on what potential other topics you'd like to see us cover, what sort of expert discussions you'd like us to try to pull together for you, our listener. So I hope you enjoy this podcast as much as we're enjoying putting it together and bringing it to you guys, our listeners. Thanks for listening.
Thank you for joining this episode of the Empowering Tomorrow's Automotive Software Podcast. Please leave a comment or review with your feedback or what you'd like to hear in future episodes. To learn more about automotive embedded systems and ETAS's capabilities, visit our website at ETAS. That's ETAS.com.